Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about how I made a little over $1,500 off one trade with Moomoo. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask down below. If you guys are new to the channel, my name is Carter. I'm actually a full-time swing trader in the stock market. And with that being said, we do have an amazing school where I teach people my strategies, my approach, my emotions, my psychology behind swing trading. So check it out down below. You guys can use code Moomoo because that's the broker I love. Code Moomoo, 50% off. We're only going to do it for one spot for that code. So check it out down below. But guys, let's jump into this trade here. So looking at the chart, obviously Moomoo is the broker that I've been using. I'll put them down below. They offer really good charting and scanning and everything you guys need as a trader. So I do think that's super important here. So this was the stock here, ticker symbol ZION. Now you guys know I actually called this stock out in the group, and one of the reasons I absolutely loved it is it had so much going for it. It had a nice upward trend. The stock has gone from $25 actually all the way up to $45 in about a year span. Not to mention, as we look at it, look at this dark blue line. Each and every time, it hits it, we get good buying pressure. So it hits it once, twice, 3 times. Recently, 4 times here. So we took a trade here near and around this $40 mark. Now, my approach with this, and anytime you swing trade, you need to have, indicators, you need to have support, you need to understand what your thought process is before you trade. So for me, hopping in here, this represents a really good opportunity because we could set our target up at recent resistance. We could set our stop loss just below even the 200-day moving average line. So the risk and reward is about 3.39%. So what that means is for, if I invest $1, I'm hoping to get $3.39. So another indicator I love here. So actually going back to that, that's a decent risk and reward. Anything over 2 to 1's, normally the standard here. Now going back here, the stock was trading for a 43 on the RSI. So the 43 on the RSI, is a little bit of a higher RSI, especially for an entry. But looking back at the previous point where it's trading for a 43 and below was right here where it went from 39 to 41 to 45. Not to mention, another indicator here is going to be the MACD indicator. And you guys can see the signal broke through the MACD line. So that always represents a good opportunity for an entry, which obviously, definitely really helped, give me that reassurance of getting buying pressure. On top of that, if we go to the hourly chart, you guys can see it actually broke out through these moving average lines, which historically they act as resistance. So you guys can see when they kind of sell off before, they act as resistance. Boom. And it did have some support here as well. You can see, let me draw it out here. So it did have some support right there, recent tendencies of buying pressure. We had the breakout above moving average lines, and now it's been on a nonstop roar going up. So my approach here is I actually drew out this line here, this nice little trend line, and this is going to be pretty much my stop, below this stock. So if the stock pretty much dips right now below like $42, I'm just going to cut my losses and move on to another opportunity. But everything about this thing was absolutely fantastic. And if you have any questions, you guys are more than welcome to ask down below. If you guys want to learn more about swing trading, check out my school, code Moomoo, for 50% off. Only valid for the first person to use that code. So check it out down below, guys. But I hope you guys all enjoyed it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Take care, everyone.